Hello and welcome everybody. Today we have a power pack session with three leading ladies here. We have Lavanya, we have MK Shivani, and we have Dr. Sanchita. Now today the topic is basically optimizing social media influence. All right. So I would welcome each one of you, Amrita, Veena, Nisha, Purnima. All right, the ones who logged in. And I really wanted, of course, one is certain information from y'all, like how are you using the social media? What kind of work are each of these ladies doing? And how are they currently also using the social media? That is what we will talk about it later. But the first and the foremost is when we are here talking about the social media influence, now it's become all the more important because of the lockdown and and especially like in Maharashtra and so many other states, because of the lockdown, definitely services needs to be put in online, right? All services, even routine services, of course emergency services are, and even routine services are all online. So we need to, even for women, if they are doing even the smallest of work or smallest of the businesses, would require an online presence. How, doesn't matter however small it is, but they will require an online presence. Else it's very difficult in this rigmarole of so many people, so many products. Because now even if we have to buy vegetables, we are preferring somebody who takes an online order. We do not want a one-to-one contact or connect with anybody who touches, any of. So here, that's where even if women are doing whatever sorts of business entrepreneurs that they are, it's all the more important that they build an online presence. I'm sure most of the women have built up their Facebook professional pages. They have presence on Instagram, they have their YouTube channel, or they have definitely have posted some YouTube videos also. But how organized is it and how well is it working for you? That is something which we wanted to simplify here. Social media has to work for us. Being just present there and just and not be able to do business, you don't even have payments online. You can't take payments online, or don't you don't have the app for doing all that. So all those things are such roadblocks. We need to work on that, right? So that's where we just wanted to start with. All right, I would first invite uh, Lavanya. Lavanya is has been more than 17 years in the corporate, okay, and now she is running a cooperative setup with her mom, and she is also she tells stories. She's a influence. She tells stories through her channels. So let's hear it for Lavanya. So, Lavanya, first thing I wanted to ask you is all women here, of course, rather than we talking about how do we optimize and all, I want you to first, it's a question to each and every panelist here is that how do you think, first of all, now, more than ever now, in the times of lockdown, okay, what do we need immediately for women to do? Entrepreneurs, I'm talking about.
Great. First
Yeah,
of all,
Lavanya.
yeah, thank you for that wonderful introduction, Snigdha ma'am. Thank you so much.
Don't call
So,
me ma'am, yeah, Snigdha is okay.
okay. So, people, we all know that today, more than ever, we are online, probably even 24 hours of the day, right? There's a saying, when the going gets tough, the tough gets going. But then now it is, when the going gets tough, the tough goes online shopping, right? Because everything, like Snigdha just said, including our newspaper, including our household groceries, everything we get it online. And if we are not online, then we are losing out on a huge opportunity, right? And it's not difficult to get on social media. Everything is so handy for us today. All the tools are very handy and free. That's the best part of it. They are free, and it's up to us how we can make the maximum use of it. Now, before I answer anything further, can we just on the chat, can we know what are you guys doing, the people who are joining today, what are you guys doing? Are you students? Are you entrepreneurs? Are you employed somewhere? We call them intrapreneurs. I'm very passionate about intrapreneurs as well. So can we just have a quick chat?
Yeah, I would request each of the participants, Dr. Manju Parmar, Meenu Sharma, Sarita Warrior, Purnima Thakkar, Amrita, Veena Dandapani, Nisha, all of us, would you write it on the chat box exactly, first of all, where are you from and what are you doing as an entrepreneur? Are you a woman entrepreneur and what kind of a business are you running? That's what you wanted?
Yes.
Yeah, or please address it to everyone so that each one of us is aware what are you doing. Yeah.
So I guess I know a couple of people here. Nisha here, she's a budding author and she's a social media influencer as well. She's just stepped into it. And Dr. Manju Parmar, she is into health and nutrition and she has her presence on social media as well. Quite a powerful presence. So I'd love to know from the others. So whatever we discuss today can be customized to what you people are doing. So we can cater to you people. That's why it is important for us to know you guys.
Yeah, let's give them some time to do it. Meanwhile, you can continue.
Yeah.
Yeah, Veena Dandapani has said she's an architect from Bangalore.
Yes. Hi,
You're
Veena.
aware of
Good to
we're
see
aware
you.
of her. We've seen her in all the Zoom meetings. She's been a constant source of inspiration. And yes, Veena, we know she's an architect. Dr. Manju Parmar is from Vadodara, Gujarat. She's a pathologist running her pathology laboratory.
Wow.
Okay.
So we are all kind of entrepreneurs, right? And for us today, when we say social media, it's not just browsing through some videos or just spending time. It's not that. People are there who do just that, but there's a whole lot of productive things happening on social media. And we are at the right place at the right time to learn about it and make the best out of social media that we have. Now, if I talk about anything specific question that you have, Snigdha?
Now, the question is like, for women out here itself, I mean, now that we know, okay, let me see. Meenu Sharma, she's a school counselor. She's an anchor of a TV show, Up or Hum, on Disha TV. Great.
Okay. Great.
Amrita is a student. She wants to learn digital marketing. Purnima Thakkar is a doctor by profession and entrepreneur from Navi Mumbai.
Wow.
So these are the profiles generally of the people. So definitely, I'm sure each one of you must be having some online presence already. All right. And how can we help you? Let's hear it from them also. You can please type it on the chat box. Currently, do you have online presence already, a website, or already using, let's say for example, WhatsApp business? Are you using even that much? So just mention that. What are the social media channels that you're already using? And so what can we do for you?
Yeah.
Yes, Lavanya, please continue.
So the basics of social media, if we look at, there are 4 prominent ones that we all use. One is the Facebook. One is WhatsApp, which is very, very prominent for WhatsApp marketing as well. Then we have LinkedIn, and then we have YouTube. Now, each of these have their specific kind of audience, and they're used for specific purposes. So Twitter is, yes, one among them, but I am probably not the right person to talk about it, so I wouldn't touch about it. Probably some other panelists might. But these are the 4 things where people flock together, right? This is where people are spending time. And we want to make the most of it when they are spending time. So everything matters. How you project yourself on social media. Let's say, for example, today, as a student, if Amrita wants to search by her name on social media, or if Veena or if Purnima wants to go and search by Purnima Thakkar on Google, what would that show up?
True.
Right? So will it show up a couple of articles that you have posted, a couple of videos that you have posted, probably some blogs that you have written, or anything that has got published about your work, all of these things are so very important, because that is what your asset that you're creating. Today, leaving our footprints on the world is how you leave your digital footprints on the world. That is very, very crucial today.
Yes, thank you so much, Lavanya. Wonderful words. Wonderful words, wonderful way of explaining things. Hi Sonali, hi Manisha, the other new entrants. Okay, now I would like Dr. Sanchita Ghatak to just again the same question is to you, Sanchita. The online presence is needed more than ever, especially for women entrepreneurs, because probably pre-lockdown period, yes, you could probably survive with classroom courses and other things. I'm just talking of training, and even in other services you could still survive, you can survive without having an online presence. How have things changed now, and what do really women need to do? Sanchita.
Thank you, Snigdha, for taking me onto the board. See, it's not that the presence of women entrepreneurs in the social media is required now. Rather, I think that it should have been started since the day a woman thinks about turning to entrepreneurship. Because entrepreneurship is the success to entrepreneurship is more about when you make your presence felt. Otherwise people would not come you for different kind of businesses. Now if I talk about a small business like training, there are millions and millions of training, and in the current time also you see every second person is turning out to be a trainer. So how are you different than anybody else? Why should I get training from you? So now it is that you have to have your presence online felt. Now the current time, the change that has happened is uh, the kind of presence that earlier used to be, it's like just having a LinkedIn platform, like a page created for you wherein you're mentioning training they did and that, and number of views that you're getting. That was one thing. If you have a Facebook page, probably you give a campaign and then get a number of leads getting converted. That's also over now, because every second person is doing the same thing now. What come here to be very important is your quality presence, right? So the kind of presence that you are giving, the kind of presence that you are giving matters how you will be taken up by your customers. Now see, as rightly said by my co-presenter here, uh, Lavanya. So she, as rightly said, that Facebook and Instagram and all these are major things that everyone should be present on. But what I feel right now is more important, that has become important than Facebook and Instagram and being on LinkedIn, is the use of dark social media. It's a new concept that has come. Dark social media has got nothing to do with deep web or dark web or anything negative. The only name it has been given as dark social media is that when you are tracking, like all of us might be knowing or might not be knowing, like we can track from where we are getting the customers. Like when we are on Facebook, we have an analytics. So analytics tells us what kind of customers have come, from where they have come, and how much they have spent on your page, and did they go to your web page or not. But this dark social media, what happens is you do not have the tracking data, and all of us are actually using it knowingly or unknowingly. Like when we are sending a message on Facebook Messenger, not on Facebook but Facebook Messenger, or when we are sending a message on, let's say, WhatsApp, or when we are sending on WeChat or Viber, sometimes what we do is we just copy the entire link and paste there. So what happens is the person directly clicks on it and goes to that particular place. So Facebook or sorry, Google cannot track exactly where that traffic has come from. Now,
Yeah.
this particular thing, dark social media, is actually catching up the market now. And you would be surprised to know that Talwarkers, I think everybody knows Talwarkers is a big
Jim. Jim.
brand. So Talwarkers get around 69% of their traffic from this dark web, and they are getting all these from unknown places. Might be from WhatsApp, might be from WeChat, might be from Facebook Messenger, sometimes even Twitter also, because Twitter, if we are copying the link and pasting it to some place other and then directly moving on to it, so that is there. Now dark web is, now if we categorize two different things, that is presence on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram and all other social media, and presence on dark web, like doing the business through dark web, it is almost equivalent. 2.12 billion users are there who are using dark web, and 2.12 billion users are there combined. They are on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and all these things. So it's a very important thing how you are present on the social media, and the quality presence that gives, like that includes the kind of stuffs that you're giving. Now I see every second individual is posting some kind of video on YouTube, just to show that okay, I'm present and I'm giving these services. Those number of videos probably do not get more number of users to see them, because it's not interesting, and it's just जैसे अभी मैं बैठ के बात कर रही हूँ, probably ये वीडियो बहुत ज्यादा लोगों को अट्रैक्ट नहीं करेगा. Rather than if I create a professional video, so we have lots of tools easily available, and even there are sites where we get very cheap freelancers. They do it for you, $1, $2, and they create a video for you and in a professional way. तो ये है कि when you are posting something on your YouTube channel or something of that kind, so it has to be quality, because that builds trust and creativity. So everybody, it's not just for women. Yes, it's special. This program is especially for women, but it's for everybody else. That whatever we are posting on social media has to be very creative, and it has to create a trust of your brand. So that is how you will be standing an edge ahead of others. So I think this is all I wanted to say.
Sanchita, thank you so much. Actually, this concept of dark web, yes, I had read somewhere about it, but you made it very, very clear.
It's
In
not
fact,
dark web. Dark web is something different. It's a negative thing. That is all the piracy and all. They take place in dark web. I'm talking about dark social media.
dark social media.
Yeah.
Okay. For me, social media is web, actually. Okay. And I am so surprised to know if you said 2.12 billion users are in dark social media. They're using dark social media,
Yeah.
and equal number of users combined of Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, and that together is equal numbers. So can
Yes.
we imagine the importance that dark social media actually holds? It holds a promise for the future then.
Yeah, it is actually most of the companies, they have all of a sudden they have shifted. Like you would be a little surprised when I launched my Google form workshop. You were one of the participants.
Yes.
I do not know from where all you people have come from, because I posted it in every possible groups that I had, and I got participants. Those who paid only were there for the as participants. Otherwise, I got around, I took out, there were 20 people, and I do not know any one of them, and I do not know from where they have come. So it was my responsibility to get them to to know, like, this is the thing, this is the ID from where you have to log in and all this. Some of them responded, some of them did not respond, but yes. And dark social media में हम फोन कॉल्स को भी हम लाइक नॉर्मल एसएमएस जो होता है उसको भी हम कवर करते हैं.
Like bulk SMS and all, right?
हाँ.
In fact, incidentally, this is something, of course, I wanted to compliment Sanchita. each one of us, I don't know how many of y'all really know Google Forms. Google Form is a basic necessity now, where you interact from when you take orders from customers, you need their information in a particular
Yeah.
format, and it becomes easy for you to put it in an Excel sheet and track things, and
Yes.
keep the basically for tracking for your customers from where they have come in and how where they stay. Even next time you have to advertise what functions, I mean, how are you going to use that? So Google Forms is something, of course, I thought it's very simple and there's nothing great about it until I joined Sanchita's workshop, and I found, yeah, there's a whole lot of science behind even simple Google workshops, and I found, yeah, there's so many things that I didn't know of. So I would recommend Sanchita's, first of all, Google Forms workshop, very simple workshop that she has. It's 3 hours, 4 hours, 3 hours. She
Three
completed
years.
me in 2 hours. We finished in 2 hours.
You
She
were so
did that.
fast and you understood everything so well.
We
So
finished it in
that
2 hours, and but it was a beautiful experience, and everybody, I think, should learn basic Google Forms first. If you have to have an online presence or you have to build it, any basic online presence, you should have Google Forms as an, even for example, I'll give you an example, Sanchita, of Google Forms. Simple, we have in our society, in our complex now, because vegetables is an issue. No, we don't want 1,500 people to go out and buy vegetables, so we've sourced a vendor from Nashik. So he takes orders on Google Forms. Okay, so he puts a basket of assorted vegetables. All right, we have to tell him every by Thursday every time that we want these vegetables, and he takes his order from Google Form. Imagine now, probably that he's the only vendor who's taking it to Google Forms. There are so many others, who are taking it through WhatsApp orders and all that. And that person has hell lot of time consolidating only data. How many people ordered? How many did that? How if I replace one vegetable with another every time? How many calls will he make? If there are 1,500 now, this guy has done. There are around 5 groups of 256 members each full. So he has utilized the Google Forms just to take simple, just nothing. You have to just say which basket you want for assorted vegetables. All right, your name, number, email. That's a very very fundamental form. So even if, what I'm saying is, even एक सब्जी खरीदने के लिए एक बंदा Google Form बना रहा है. So can you understand? Each one of us are running sophisticated, better businesses than supplying just vegetables or milk or something of that sort, right? Even my Dudwala currently is on. He has created a Google Form.
oh
मैडम
my God.
आपका, हाँ, उसने बोला मैडम आपको क्या बैंक्स में क्या बोलते हो, कस्टमर इन्फॉर्मेशन भर दो, व्हाट डू यू कॉल दैट, नो योर कस्टमर,
KYC.
केवाईसी. सो इस इज मैडम आपका मैं दूध वाला बोला मैम केवाईसी तुम भी किए, तुम्हारे को क्या केवाईसी चाहिए, नहीं मैडम हमको कस्टमर का इन्फॉर्मेशन सब रखना पड़ता है. सो व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेल ईच वन ऑफ अस that even a simple दूध वाला, सब्जी वाला, भाजी वाला, grocery वाला is now put up a Google form where you can order things. So we definitely are doing better businesses than them, and we have knowledge of Google Forms and how it is so important for us. So definitely I would recommend at least do that course of, like me, you run after 2 hours, 2 or 3 hours course in 2 hours with Sanchita, and
Thank
you
you so
must
much,
go ahead.
Shraddha.
You
You
must do it.
gave
You
me a
must do
lot
it.
of. You must have given me a lot of leads from here itself. So, do I consider this as a dark web or it's a normal?
Nah, this is not a dark social media. You know the source.
Yeah, this is
You know the
public,
source.
so this is not dark social media. But
Yeah, it's
yes,
public,
yes.
and you know the
Mm.
source. Okay. Now coming to Shivani ma'am. Now Shivani ma'am is like, she knows, I mean, what to tell. It's like, showing a candle to the sun. She knows so much. Now definitely now we will not talk about the rest of her accomplishments that she has. Okay, she is from family of the third generation of dentists, then she is a nutrigenomic expert, then so much she's done, so much, she's an investor, she's done so much in life, accomplished. So but today we would want Dr. Shivani as a user of social media, just as a simple user like me. Okay, I am no consultant in IT or something. I am just using social media for my business. Okay, yes, I have tied up some loose ends somewhere. I have created some YouTube videos, I have done something, I haven't consolidated it properly. I've never had the time to do it. That's the biggest problem. We never have time. We are so stuck up in our own businesses and the way the day to day running only. We are so engrossed in that we've never had a time to sit and really think, okay, what are social media? I mean, what channel should I close? What channel should I open more? Should I post better on LinkedIn? I don't know, you know. So that's why. But I want, there are certain inputs, I'm sure, from Dr. Shivani,
Yes.
because yeah, over to you, Dr. Shivani.
Yes, yes. Thank you so much. Welcome all participants who have joined. I welcome first on behalf of Mission Happy World Wow podcast. And today's topic is optimizing of the social medias for women entrepreneurs. Lavanya is expert and she's talking about some digital media. Even Dr. Sanchit is also talking. But here I am there from the role that I'm talking about my journey. First of all, my digital journey started. I'm not an expert digital, but I'm a good student of a digital, and I understood the importance of digital. And that will help you in giving that belief. If you take a decision today, right now, and understand, yeah, I have to go digital, you will be able to go digital and make the changes. First of all, my journey about the digital means I'm a computer user when Windows was not there. In 1985 only I started my journey as a learning DOS, then Windows. So I'm a computer user, but still certain stages in comes life and you're not updated. So my journey really started 5 years back when I was a part of someone's WhatsApp group, and there were a lot of WhatsApp sessions going on. And I used to wonder how they are conducting, how they are getting connected. The way Sanchita told, no, कि कैसे आप लोग आ गए, unknown लोग आए. And that's what I was getting connected with the unknown people, and so many WhatsApp sessions I did, but still nobody taught me, and I was just going with the flow. And just in January 2019, I just heard these 3 words which had changed my thinking. First thing is there in I'm a business club member, BNI. If you are not online, you don't exist. अगर आप online नहीं है तो आप ये दुनिया में अस्तित्व नहीं है. If you are an entrepreneur, if you are a normal housewife sitting at home and doing your duty, it's okay. But if you be known as a woman entrepreneur, you have to go online, go digital. There is a go digital is separate or go online is separate. Go digital means you should know all digital apps. आपको banking आना चाहिए. You have to be independent. And social media influence is second thing. Second thing is that you have to change with the time, or time will change you. आपको अपडेट होना पड़ेगा. And I used to ask my son, oh मुझे सिखा. I was not knowing anything last January, no nothing. I had a Facebook. I had a myth that कि वो time pass करने के लिए लोग Facebook use करते हैं and all that. So I'm giving you hope. Then
आप टाइम पास भी कर सकते हो. बिजनेस के अलावा टाइम पास भी कर सकते हो.
Yeah, time pass भी करते हैं. Then I really understood कि if you are entrepreneur, अगर आपको think you are locally, but if you want to go to global, you have to use the digital media. And that's why my study started. And I will tell you what I have done. And I have learned it from digital masters. And वो जो digital media वाले जो लोग होते हैं, then you have to shell out money for everything. Some things you can do yourself, and some things are very technical, वो आप delegate कर सकते हैं. But what I have done is, I'll tell you. First of all, you have to start all social media accounts. As Lavanya told, I'm giving you tips only, huh? So you can what is your next step of action? The intention of this workshop or from my talk is that you have to go digital. You will tell, yeah, because of this podcast, I have taken a decision and I have gone on a social media to promote my product or service and taken more steps. Or even if you are on social media, I know that from these tips, you are going to add something more. First of all, she told Facebook है, different target market है, Facebook का अलग है, Twitter का अलग है, that you will understand. But now I have opened my accounts on 12 social media platforms. You want to know 12 media? एक दिन बैठ के सारे लोगों के कर दिया. TikTok is okay, वो चाइना का है, छोड़ दो. But there is a Likee, there is a Hello, there is a All Social. बहुत सारा ब्लॉग्स है. एंड आई टेल क्या फेसबुक कम्युनिटी में ग्रुप्स बनाया है. अगर आप
एक मिनट, एक मिनट शिवानी मैम, आई विल इंटरप्ट यू नो बिकॉज वो फिर वो पॉइंट छूट जाएगा. लॉट ऑफ पीपल थिंक यू नो ऑफ कोर्स टिकटॉक अब चाइनीज है, अब लोगों को रियलाइज हो रहा है कि वो चाइनीज है. बट व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज दे यूज्ड टू पीपल यूज्ड टू आस्क मी टिकटॉक पे प्रेजेंस बिजनेस लेडीज की जरूरत है क्या? सो पीपल से नहीं नहीं वो टाइम पास के लिए ऐसे फालतू के वीडियोस डालते हैं. नाउ टेल मी वन थिंग. आई वांटेड टू टेल ईच वन ऑफ अस टाइम पास है इसीलिए वहां भीड़ है. People are there, people are on TikTok, people are downloading TikTok videos and posting it on their WhatsApp accounts or here and there. Now the thing is क्योंकि वो टाइम पास है इसके लिए ही वहां पे भीड़ है. सो जहां पे भीड़ है वहीं तो आपको प्रोडक्ट बेचना है.
यस यस.
तो चाहे सीरियस हो या ना हो आपको क्या करना है? आपको तो मार्केट क्रिएट करना है ना आपके प्रोडक्ट्स का. सीरियस हो या नॉन सीरियस हो, आपको लगता क्या है कि टिकटॉक से सीरियस बिजनेस नहीं आएगा? बहुत सीरियस बिजनेस आता है टिकटॉक मार्केट.
Snigdha, just to interrupt you, and Shivani ma'am, just to interrupt you, same line with TikTok. TikTok के जो नंबर ऑफ सब्सक्राइबर्स हैं वो फेसबुक से भी ज्यादा बढ़ते जा रहे हैं. क्योंकि वही फालतू में लोग बैठे रहते हैं वहाँ पे, एंड वहाँ से सॉलिड बिजनेसेस आ रहे हैं. आई वुड लाइक टू मेंशन समथिंग वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. मेरी जो हाउस हेल्प है उसको मैं पढ़ा रही हूँ, तो अभी वो पढ़ी लिखी हो गई है काफी. शी हैज जस्ट गिवन हर 10th एंड अच्छा स्कोर कर लिया, सब कुछ है. She has bought her new smartphone, बड़ा सा अच्छा सा लिया है, and now she has started making videos on TikTok. Can you imagine number of followers she has? She has 1 billion followers.
Wow.
She's making her videos and she's putting up there.
Misbah.
Hello.
No. You're talking about Misbah Sheikh. I'm calling her on a podcast.
No, Shivani, that's the house help.
मेरी हाउस हेल्प जो है.
Okay, sorry.
वो बोल रही है उसने
वीडियोस
बना के.
तो अगर उसके वीडियोस अगर आ सकते हैं, द काइंड ऑफ वीडियोस वो बना रही है, तो लाइक अब तो टिकटॉक शायद बैन ही हो जाए, बट वेरी सून वी विल हैव समथिंग वेरी सिमिलर टू टिकटॉक, क्योंकि वो हम लोग बना लेंगे. वो डिजिटल का है तो सब कुछ बन जाता है. फेसबुक का भी ऑलमोस्ट फेसबुक जैसा बन चुका है, व्हाट्सएप जैसा बन चुका है, बट सिंस फेसबुक एंड व्हाट्सएप हैज अ मोर बिगर नंबर ऑफ यूजर्स, सो वी आर स्टिल लॉगिंग इनटू दैट. तो पैसा बन जाएगा तो वी कैन हैव इस तरह के प्लेटफॉर्म्स को एक्चुअली जो कहते हैं ना भुनाना, वो दैट इज मोर यूजफुल दीज डेज. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, हाँ, अगर इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अ लिटिल एजुकेटेड कस्टमर्स, यू कैन ऑल्सो स्टार्ट ब्लॉगिंग. That also makes you reach to a very huge number of customers. तो अभी आप देखो Times of India, Dainik Jagran, Navbharat Times, everybody has opened its bloggers post. So you go there, post your blogs.
I think Lavanya will cover because she's expert.
Okay, but that is what I'm Sanchita, that is something great. I used to think ये bloggers को कोई काम नहीं है, क्योंकि because they don't find an audience, so they put it in. But they earn. नहीं, of course, I understood blogging is a serious business and it earns, you know. And
blogging both.
So here, that's why Shivani, you can continue.
Yeah, I'll just continue. I'll talk to the point only. First of all, you have to open social media accounts, make your presence, and sell your product and service. Sell yourself. Because that's how you are an entrepreneur. You have to sell and then make your digital assets. As she told, these different media can be monetized. It will make you money, but after certain time. Right. So as she told, blogs. So for me also, it was a big blog about the blog. Arey blog लिखने के लिए ऐसा करना था. Lavanya will cover that. Even about the podcast also. So I have done a professional podcast from a professional company. Then I came to know there is a free podcast on Anchor. तो आप अपना जो भी है उसके बारे में पॉडकास्ट कर सकते हैं. सो एंकर पॉडकास्ट है. देयर आर मेनी बट आई प्रेफर एंकर पॉडकास्ट. आप डेली कर सकते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको डिसाइड करना है कि आपको कितना टाइम डालना है फेसबुक पे. एंड ऑल दीज एप्स व्हाट आई टोल्ड इज जो भी है. इवन देयर इज अ होम मिनिस्टर ऐप फॉर वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर. मिनिस्टर ऐप फ्री ऐप है एंड वहां पे यू कैन पे 1000 ईयर ऑल्सो एंड यू कैन रजिस्टर योर सर्विस और वो लोकेशन भी कर सकते हैं. सो आई गॉट लीड्स फ्रॉम होम मिनिस्टर ऑल्सो. होम मिनिस्टर यू नो ना, देयर इज अ मराठी सीरियल, सम महाराष्ट्रियन सीरियल व्हिच इज रन बाय आदेश बांदेकर. मराठी सीरियल एक्टर है. तो उनका होम मिनिस्टर है वेयर योर सर्विस एंड द प्रोडक्ट कैन बी सोल्ड. एंड इंक्वायरी जो आती है बिकॉज ऑल टीवी व्यूअर्स है. So even that Likee is there, Hello is there, All Social is there. तो ऑर्गेनिक ग्रोथ होती है ना, जैसे टाइम पास करने के लिए लोग, बट अपने को टाइम पास वाले वीडियो नहीं डालने हैं ना, यू हैव टू पुट योर वीडियो एंड दे हैव गॉट नाइस गुड वीडियो themes, so you can use that. So that is about blog, podcast. Then YouTube also I learned, and YouTube's video, but that has to be topic wise. Then I have learned video making. ये बहुत difficult लगता था because confidence नहीं होता है video making का. Again Lavanya will cover up. But I learned that video making also and video editing also, which are the apps to be used. This is not the time to talk, but I will be sharing that list of tools we can use as a free for different purposes on our WOW podcast.
Yeah.
Again, the first step is there, making your digital assets, making those all accounts, writing. Instagram is there, but इसमें ad होता है. Then ad is a different thing. Facebook ad and Instagram ad, which I learned. Then also office automation. जब जैसे उन्होंने बोला WhatsApp marketing, email marketing, Google Forms, then tiny URL आपकी link देने के लिए वगैरह. Then now the new fund, this thing is live streaming. Again, Lavanya also can talk about that live streaming. So I'm doing a live streaming on more than 5 platforms on one time. That is with Restream. That I have learned. You have to little bit spend some time on office settings, which I learned and I had done it. And I'm doing live sessions because live sessions also again organic growth ho jayega. That's what I wanted to cover. And then if you want to do online courses, I know many of them are doing. I think Lavanya must be having the new thing I have learned. Those who are into the online space, online course जिनके है, उनको मैं बताना चाहती good news. You may be having your online course on the Teachable Hub or Think IFC Hub. I have come up with one good offer, which is a learning management system, which is India based. For Teachable, you have to spend $40 a month. For Think IFC, you have to spend $100 a month. For Funnels for people की जो sales page होता है, Ashit rightly said कि website होता है. Website पे तो it is just a showcase, but you want website पे sell नहीं होता है. It has to be hook होना चाहिए, attract होने के लिए लोग, ताकि आपका पढ़े और आपको immediately action हो जाए उधर payment link के साथ में. That is called sales page, which is normally by ClickFunnels, but we have got many also. So for courses, there is a one Indian company which is providing a learning management scheme with automatic office automation. आपको email marketing अलग नहीं लेना है, आपको वो Zapier automation अलग नहीं लेना है, आपके Zoom sessions उसके connect हो सकते हैं, आपका live streaming उसी के साथ connection होगा, सारे payment links उसी के साथ होगा, Indian, US, सारा कुछ वहाँ पे website होगा, one stop solution on one thing only. तो आपको वो अलग से teachable नहीं लेना है. So that is there, and they are giving us offer price right now for 2,000 a month. There is a free also. I will be sharing that link because they are from business BNI, global BNI जो है business club. So they will be giving that into free startup है, free भी कर सकते हैं जिसमें आपके 5 courses रख सकते हैं. If you want little automation, then it will be 2,000 per month. ऐसे है. So I will be sharing that link. So that's what I got. First of all, I did not know anything. वो टीचेबल के लिए कर रहे थे, क्लिक फनल के लिए $100, टीचेबल के लिए $40, ऑटोमेशन के लिए it was becoming a big headache. So I had to spend on one assistant who will take care of that. So now it has become very automated. So I'll be sharing that link. This I came to know only 2 days before. So about that, and then definitely we use sessions and SMS packs, SMS marketing जो होता है. We have got database ना, database हमारे पास बहुत है. बट उसमें बहुत कम मिलता है. बट डेफिनेटली अगर 1000 लोगों का SMS भेज दिया तो एटलीस्ट आपको 100-200 लोग तो कम्युनिकेट करेंगे. So that's what I have learned. And then survey forms, it's better if you want to serve any market, जो भी आपका प्रोडक्ट है, सर्विस है. So always take a feedback from the customer. Google form is there, but there is a survey form. So वो अच्छा लगता है ना, Google form भरने से भी अच्छा सर्वे. So there is a Trustpilot, then survey typo form. I'll be sharing link also. Again, it is a free, so you don't have to spend. Just type your questions, and you can send that survey form and take feedback from your customers. So these are all digital assets I have learned and I have implemented myself.
Wow, Shivani. I mean, I mean, seriously, yeah. I mean, I mean, absolutely wonderful. I mean, you've used so many platforms, so many, and plus, which are the 12 the social digital media platforms? Yeah.
Facebook,
Hmm.
yeah. Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Twitch.
Twitch,
Twitch is a
okay.
gaming actually, but
Uh,
lot of traffic comes there. So you can use that Twitch platform, which I came to know recently only. You don't go
okay.
very high right now. You start with 4 at least. If you are used to some, then you add more. Then there is a Hello, All Social, Star Maker, लाइकी पे ज्यादा है, टिकटॉक से भी
Like
ज्यादा
it.
लाइकी पे है. डेली आपके मोर देन 500 व्यूज होते हैं आपके वीडियोस के. तो गुड ना, 500 व्यूज हो रहे हैं आपके. तो इट्स गुड. डेली आपको 5-10 फॉलोअर्स मिल जाते हैं उसमें.
वाओ ग्रेट यार सच में ये 12 मैं इतना देर से वही सोच रही विच आर द 12 यार आई वाज ट्राइंग टू काउंट स्टिल आई couldn't reach 12 I said okay hello likey and all that okay
यस
great
यस यस. यू
Always
फील लाइक दैट
hello
कि
and
इसमें कोई ना
likey.
टाइम पास है, बट
हाँ टाइम
यू डोंट वांट टू सी एनीबॉडीज वीडियो. यू वांट टू रीच पीपल
that's
एंड टाइम
where
पास करने वाले हैं
टाइम
हम.
पास है
हैशटैग
तो
पे
है
पोस्ट
यार
करते
हमें
हैं.
कुछ करना वही
But
that's
hello
something really
likey
good
तो
Yeah, I will post
TikTok के
everything.
साथ बंद होने
It is
वाला
very
है अभी.
difficult to
हाँ
cover
हेलो
everything
लाइकी
right
इसलिए
now.
बंद होगा
So I will
क्योंकि
be
वो
sharing
चाइनीज
the
ऐप्स
steps. I'll be sharing the steps.
चाइनीज ऐप से इसलिए वो शायद बंद
हाँ,
होंगे और कुछ नहीं
सब बंद
हेलो
होंगे अभी.
लाइकी चाइनीज ऐप से ना ये बंद
So
इसलिए
first, I
होंगे
have spent lot of money in spending on online courses, but I realize now instead of going to the 4 places, if you get solution at one space and at a lesser price,
lesser price
Shivani
with
ji,
good service, you can
you
go.
have rightly said, instead of spending lots of time on lots of online courses,
Yeah.
बेसिक अगर आप कहीं से ले लो, किसी ऑनलाइन कोर्स से आप बेसिक ले लो, बाकी जितना आप हैंड्स ऑन करोगे उतना ज्यादा आप सीखोगे. So more you do hands on, more is your practical knowledge. जो भी आपने अभी
No,
बोला,
no,
it's
no.
all
I'm not
practical.
talking about taking courses. I'm talking about launching your own course.
yeah she's talking about
हाँ हाँ.
yeah,
Maybe
launch
you
लेकिन जो
can.
भी आपने बोला, it's
Yeah.
so meaningful and it shows how experience you have got and what kind of experience you have had. तो ये चीज like this
Yeah,
actually helps me
like
a lot
Aruna
to.
can have a course on how to cook healthy recipes.
Arun,
Yeah.
One day
we'll I
course,
will
2
come
days
to Aruna.
course.
We'll come to all the participants in a short while.
Yes.
Before that, I wanted to start with Lavanya. Thank you so much, Shivani. It was very inspiring to hear you. In fact, कितने सारों के नाम मैंने सुने ही थे, but now I get them. Yes, they are serious apps. I used to also think they are time pass ones. Yeah. So Lavanya, back to you. Lavanya, I wanted to know. I wanted you to throw light on. Anything important that you feel the trend that is there, for example dark social media is something Sanchita mentioned, right?
Yeah.
Yes, it's an eye opener for many, not many people know about it. Lavanya, similarly, do you have any information to divulge which will help us, each women entrepreneurs, even the ones who are starting out with their online presence and also the ones who've experienced and now trying to promote to various other platforms and diversify?
Yeah.
So, do you have any?
Sure. Thank you, Snigdha. First of all, Shivani ma'am, hats off to you. The kind of thing you've created, I'm totally amazed by this.
Thank you.
So, like you rightly said, initially, whoever is starting off, let them
Start with
make their presence with a minimum of 3 to 4 because it's
4, yes.
very overwhelming to handle everything
Yes.
together. And people really get bogged up by
Yeah,
the end
bogged
of the day.
Yes.
कुछ नहीं post करना है, जाने दो. They reach to that level very, very soon. So go slow. For the
Yes.
beginners, I would say Facebook is a good platform to start off with, but pick and choose who you want to connect with, because there'll be a whole lot of people who keep sending you friend requests. As soon as you post something, they think you are the only person, and then they start sending you the friend request. So please be careful who you pick and choose to connect with. Now, if you ask me about why there are multiple social media platforms, right? Each of them have their own significance. Like, for example, if I want to post a video of, say, Shivani ma'am wants to post a video of the work she does and the offering she has for the public. Now, it can be a long video because she wants to tell in detail about her program. For that, the right platform would be YouTube, because that is a sophisticated platform where people really, it's like a TV. It was made to replace a TV. So people will play that and sit back and relax for 10 minutes minimum. If at all I post such kind of a video on Instagram, let's say for example, Instagram is a very bubbly channel, very happening channel, but there people are just there to scroll. You know, you just go, okay, this 10 seconds and then they scroll. So you might miss the actual crux of the information that you want to offer to people. So Instagram, yeah, Instagram, what works is anything like a poster that you create with a very few words and catchy pictures. So you make it bright, colorful, but then at the same time conveying the message suitable to your brand, not anything in the world. People will say, okay, I'm drinking this tea today, I'm having this chocolate today. That also they will post. Those are generic things. But when we talk as women entrepreneurs who want to build an authority on social media, then we need to think about a lot of things. What is it that I want to convey through my Instagram as a brand? Correct? So I need to concentrate on only a certain specific audience that I can cater to. Now, if I talk about what is the best time to post on social media, people will have questions because all through the day, people will be on social media. But we will need to analyze what time is your specific audience, the target audience on social media. Let's say, for example, I'm posting something on YouTube and people might just save something on YouTube to watch at the weekends. So if it's a long video, then the right time to post on YouTube is anywhere between Thursday and Sunday so that people can watch it at their ease during weekends. If I say LinkedIn, and LinkedIn is a platform which is very, very powerful for lead generation and for authentic lead generation, because people who are in business are on LinkedIn. So if you're posting anything on LinkedIn, make sure you post it anywhere between 9 a.m. and 2 p.m. Now, why 9 a.m. and 2 p.m.? Because that is the time when people log in to their office setup. And when they log into the office, immediately they tend to open LinkedIn. And when they get some time away from their work, they toggle to LinkedIn and start reading your posts. If your post is engaging, then they're going to save it for a later read as well. Now, there are specific, tactics, how you can do that. Because in LinkedIn, if you see the top, only 2 sentences will be seen. And rest, if you click on see more, only then it will come up. So if we don't capture the attention with the right hook words in those 2 sentences, people will not click on see more. They'll just scroll through once again. So these are very simple things, but can be very, very powerful things. Okay. And limit of words, Nisha is asking about limit of words on LinkedIn. There is, I think, 1,000 something on the main post. But what you can always do, if it's a longer thing, then you can post it as an article. There's an option to post your post as an article as well. Or if it's just a post and if it's not fitting into the main post, then you can say in the last line, further in the comments below, and then the first comment you start adding your post, the rest of your post. And most important thing is, my dear ladies, tagging is very, very, very important. Tag the right people to get the right exposure. Hashtag is something that is also very powerful. So keywords, hashtag, and tagging the right people. These are very important things when it comes to LinkedIn. Similarly, in YouTube, you have something called keywords. If your title of the video says something like how to make money in 10 days or how to change your mindset in 10 days. So everything that starts with this hook word called how to is the buzzword now. Anything that you create will grab the attention of the users. Now, there's one more thing that plays very, very important role is your thumbnail that we post on the video. So if a video just pops up there, and if I'm not putting a very intriguing thumbnail, if it looks lousy, then people, they call it the CTR, the click rate, click-through rate.
Click-through rate.
Yeah. So if they don't find it interesting, they're not going to click on that. Again, your channel should have your keywords, your tags as well. It plays a very important role on how YouTube can suggest your videos to the viewers. Many people follow, they only concentrate on, I have 1,000 subscribers, I have 10,000, 1 million subscribers. If you have 1 million subscribers who actually don't even go to your channel and they've just subscribed only out of courtesy, we are not going to get any business out of it. You should have at least 5,000 people who are craving for your content, who are just looking forward to that one video that you post as per your schedule. So maintain a schedule, post at least one video a week to engage your audience, and tell it out to your audience that this is what is my schedule and you can look forward to it. So just like how we used to wait for the serials, I remember my DD1 days. Now I don't even look at serials. So the DD1, yes, Chitrahar used to come on Wednesdays 8:30. Then it is Saturday, Sunday, these things. So people should remember you at that time. That is the mark you can create on people's minds, right? All of these comes as a package, and it is going to create a huge impact for you and your business. I guess that
Yeah.
gives a little bit.
Thank you so much, Lavanya. It was very inspiring and very to the point. Exactly to the point. There was one question. I mean, I better take it now. Nisha, I think this question is already answered. There's a limit of words to what to do about it. I think Lavanya answered that. I'm sure you've got your answer on that. So you've lowered your hand also. All right. Of course, we'll be taking in questions from the audience in just 10 minutes. Before that, in fact,
And for that, I just would like to ask or request Ravanya to talk about how she creates that story and also about your Quora blogs.
yeah.
Uh,
Yes, Lavanya.
so yeah. So Quora is, I think Nisha was asking another question even before. Where she can connect with her audience who are readers? Because if she is a writer, then all the audience who are reading buffs are on Quora. So Quora is the right platform which you can explore, and it's a very huge platform. I think we had one of the guest speakers, one of the coordinators, MCs on MOW as well, Monica. She is
Okay. I got mistaken. Monica is in it.
Yeah. So Monica is huge on Quora, but I'm sure people can leave a huge impact if they are on Quora as well.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Lavanya. Sangeeta, your take on something very much to the point. Of course, we've spoken a lot about how do we use different medias and everything. Both Shivani and Lavanya have talked enough. From your exposure, your experience with women entrepreneurs, even people starting small, anything, any last comments that you have on that? Sanchita.
Yeah. Nothing more to speak because Lavanya and Shivani ji has covered a lot, and it is very meaningful and very informative. The last thing that I would like to state again is, yes, being on digital platform, being on social media is very, very important these days, because the best thing that we find in social media, which we do not find in any other places, the kind of or the number of people we have there. So if we find out in Facebook, like there are millions and millions of users there. So if we are talking about reach, definitely Facebook is going to give us that reach. LinkedIn, I personally do not use that much. Yes, I do have an account, but I see LinkedIn as very professional, very like it's more of a job finding or maybe job posting site. Social media rather than getting business. Yes, we definitely get business because LinkedIn currently has set up its LinkedIn tutorials. So you have paid as well as free courses there. Very good courses, very lovely courses out there. But yes, Facebook being the oldest one, we get lots of people there. Finding
Sorry, one minute. Sorry to interrupt you, Sanchita, about LinkedIn. LinkedIn is useful. I'll tell you where I've used this. In case you really want to impress your audience with the content, with your content. In case you want to impress audience, in LinkedIn, has a class of people who actually understand your content. Let's understand. There's a class of people using Instagram. Okay, there's a class of people using
that
YouTube.
is what I was saying. That is what I was saying, because we have different types of customers everywhere. But that kind of customer is freely available on Facebook rather than on, that is what I was coming to, rather than on LinkedIn or any other social media as of that repute. Secondly, like finding space on Twitter is a little difficult than on Facebook, because you create an account on Twitter and then you keep on struggling and you will not have that number of followers until and unless you have good followers. It means nothing. It's just having it's just like having an email account. Secondly, Insta. Yes, Insta can be linked with Facebook, so whatever you post on Facebook can go directly to Insta. And yes, Insta में एक बहुत मैंने मजेदार चीज देखी है कि अगर रात भर में you get 5 followers, next day morning you may lose them even, because Insta का एक rule होता है कि you follow the people and all of a sudden when you see that आपका following कुछ गड़बड़ हो रहा है या you're not getting those number of good followers, you unfollow. So वो बढ़ता घटता रहता है.
Bubbly kind of, really. It's like a very instant kind of.
Yeah, so I personally find Insta to be very not so matured platform. So in that way, I find Facebook and WhatsApp to be quite matured in the way that people are using, because you will find 90% SMS that you like, messages that you send on on WhatsApp gets opened in 3 seconds. That you cannot have and guarantee on any other platforms. You send a message, you send an SMS, you do whatever you do, like the kind of response that you get through WhatsApp is it cannot be compared to anyone. Now 84% sharing out of all the social media that comes, it is from Facebook, क्योंकि Facebook में हर तरह के हर जॉनर के लोग वहाँ पे मिलते हैं. It is educated. आप सब्जी वाले भी आपको फेसबुक में मिल जाएंगे and you will find good people out there. और फेसबुक का जो paid SEO है, that if you're using it very properly in a smart way, that actually creates a very good funnel for you.
Just a minute. SEO, please explain करो. SEO
का मतलब होता है सर्च इंजन ऑप्टिमाइजेशन. सर्च इंजन ऑप्टिमाइजेशन का मतलब होता है कि जब google.com आप ओपन करते हो और वहां पे whenever you are typing some keywords like you want to purchase, आजकल तो सब कुछ हम परचेज कर रहे हैं ऑनलाइन, like Blue Dettol अभी मार्केट में अवेलेबल नहीं है. My son uses that. So what I did was buy Blue Dettol Cool online. This was my search. तो टॉप 3 सर्चेज में Amazon का प्रोडक्ट आया, देन आई गॉट 1mg एंड आई गॉट Flipkart एंड देन आई गॉट Snapdeal. उसके अलावा नीचे बहुत सारा होता है. सो एज द साइकोलॉजी ऑफ पीपल इज कंसर्न्ड व्हेन ब्राउजिंग अ नेट, व्हाट हैपेंस इज दे ओनली लुक फॉर द टॉप 5 सर्चेस, क्योंकि उसको हम हॉट जोन में कहते हैं. उसके नीचे कुछ हम देखते नहीं है. यू नेवर गो टू द 10th पेज टू फाइंड आउट योर सर्चेस. आई डोंट थिंक यू वुड बी डूइंग और एनीवन. तो वो जो टॉप 5 सर्चेस है उसमें अपना नाम दाखिल करने के लिए, टू एनरोल इन दैट, यू नीड टू डू अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क विथ योर फेसबुक, with your website and any of the social media. तो Facebook का ये जो SEO है, that is search engine optimization, ये you can do it using a paid service. तो वो आप चाहे Facebook ads से कराओ, चाहे आप campaigns run कराओ, चाहे whatever trick you are using, but you have to use it very very smartly. Otherwise you pay 1,000 rupees and you will not get a single customer. But sometimes what happens, you pay just 100 rupees and you will get 200 customers, and out of that almost 10 gets as your good loyal customers. So funnel वहाँ पे बहुत अच्छे से बन जाता है. So that is, I think somebody has posted some question related to कुछ आया है अभी.
That's it. नहीं वही follow back basically.
Highest working system.
FB ads.
FB ads is the highest. Yeah, I will be running ad this week. Yeah. Okay.
That's way. Thank you so much, Sanchita, for the wonderful knowledge. And see, this is the practical exposure that we all need. We all know how to do everything, but we need somebody to talk to who tells अच्छा भाई Facebook में ad डालूं कि मैं WhatsApp paid कर लूं. WhatsApp का business account में क्या मैं paid service और मैं bulk SMS भेजूं कि नहीं भेजूं. See, we need choices and we need people to talk to. And generally, your digital marketers don't tell you these nitty
They will
gritties.
never. They will
Of
never.
course it's their business, so why will they tell that to you? So
Yeah.
that's where, so, okay, I also have some of my own exposure and experience of using social media. I have used, I think, WhatsApp for business since when it was launched, and I have done some wonderful business solely through WhatsApp. Solely, I mean, I do not credit to any. Of course, yes, Facebook, yes, but as only as a catalyst. But primarily WhatsApp for business. All right. I think I had just for a month, I had a normal account on WhatsApp, else it was for business. Okay. Now, if you see the way WhatsApp has updated its WhatsApp for business, you can, earlier there were very limited functionalities. Now, if you see,
Yeah.
you can actually label, you can label the way you want, you can send distribution list to only selected people of that particular label, you can track your payment, new payment, unpaid customers, paid customers, everything. It's a proper CRM inbuilt.
Yeah.
WhatsApp for business. I know how many people
Mm-hmm.
really know it. Yes, it is. And it has worked well. As you said, WhatsApp itself has a, within 3 seconds, the message gets opened. That's the highest actually. Now, there as well, even on social media postings, there are certain things that even I want to tell. I have seen a lot of people, the content is so good, but it just gets lost. Sometimes I say so much of talent is just getting wasted. Sometimes I feel, and people with no talent are so very popular with so much followers. Why is that so? Now, certain tips even I have of mine, I've heard all of them. I also have, these are my own, but then yes, I have this is out of experience. In all posts, please, deliberately please use hashtags. Using hashtags is very, very important. Create your own hashtags, otherwise see what other hashtags are there. Use hashtags. And please use images in postings. Do not post content without images. They will have much lower chances of being seen or even being noticed. When you are in a competition, with so many posts, your post is also competing for attention, right? So you need to have either hashtags, and please use images. Don't use too many images. One good bright color image is fine, but it should be there with less content on it, on the image. Put as less as possible, just maybe a main header and a line, that's enough. All right. And how much to post? WhatsApp groups, how many times to post? See, the thing is, most people create accounts, create everything, create every content, post it once and sit waiting for customers to come. That doesn't happen. We need to do it and remind, because customers, I mean, people who are your target customers, there are so many other apps, so many other people also vying for attention. So how much would you? So you should, I think you should post at least 1 to 3 times daily. At least WhatsApp groups, thrice minimum. One in the morning, one probably towards evening, and one at night. It is necessary if you want to literally, वो पक्का करना होता है दिमाग में. आपका एक product register करना होता है.
We
I am
call
doing
it
a
recall
course.
value in marketing.
Recall value, yes, recall
Yeah.
value. अभी एक simple terms use कर रही हूँ. जैसे अभी मैं एक suppose एक neuroscience of habits का course है. अभी neuroscience of habits, ठीक है, वो दिन में जब तक मैं 3 बार एक हफ्ते तक चलाऊंगी नहीं वो campaign, it will never register. It'll be just like any other course. I have to, with a fixed image, and don't keep on changing those images every time. Keep one fixed image. Let people get recall of that image. Acha, acha, ye iska, okay, that's Snigdha's course. Okay, that's hers there. So you should be associated with some kind of imaging. Be active, of course, only 3 to 4 social networking sites initially. Another thing is, use trial and error to find out optimal posting times. See where other people are posting when. You have to use optimal posting time. See, most of the times your posts are very good, but they're posted at the wrong time. You're posting at 12 o'clock at night. What's the point? People think if the later that they post, that post will be open and more people will see. Most people are, slept off, and probably in the morning another 100 posts will, will be over eclipsing your post itself. So there is, you have to see where maximum people are posting. So trial and error has to be there. Search engine optimization, SEO has to be done. Okay, and because social media is as a catalyst, it should be there. Then another thing very very important is, people spend a lot on creating accounts, creating, but they do not spend quality on creating engaging content. Your only thing that which differentiates you from another customer is your content. The content has to be engaging. I mean, अगर आज आपको नहीं लगता आपका खुद का कंटेंट देख के क्या will I go, you just put yourself in a customer's shoes and ask, no, had this customer pitched on this, क्या मैं जाके खरीदती थी वो चीज? Okay, if it was like this, would I buy? So basically you have to create engaging content and track. You will have to track your content, also see where it is, and also see what response is it getting. If you think you posted at the wrong time, repost again at a time where people are available. Like for example, I think Lavanya mentioned LinkedIn posting should be done 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. There is a reason for it. Facebook posting should not be done at 9 a.m., a little later, because Facebook again, people come in later on it. All right, but people stay back later on it also. You can post at 1 o'clock, you will find response at Facebook. You will not find it in LinkedIn. That's one thing. Another thing extremely important that I found, do some keyword research. Look for keywords. What are people searching products generally using, which words, which are called keywords. So if your product doesn't get listed in those keywords, it's of no use. Whatever campaigns you use, how much ever money you spend, you have to do some keyword research of your own. Find out, identify keywords, phrases and things that people are using, which are of maybe normal parlance. It should be normal everyday usage words, can also be keywords, but your product should get listed in those keywords. So you, whatever title, content, whatever you are writing, that those should have those keywords. So you should create relevant content accordingly. Okay, all topics, hashtags, all target users that you have, all the posts. So if you want a high they want to be, you want them to be noticed, you want them to be found, please do spend some time on keyword researching. That is the, I think, only time you should spend besides on content. If you do not create, I think one is engaging content, nobody is going to read it. See, because let's for example, even in Facebook, the initial 4-5 lines are there, right? I think, and after that it's read more. So if you cannot grasp the attention of the user in those 5 lines, he's not going to click on read more anyways. You lost it. So if you can't mention what you're conducting, what you are doing, what's the fees, everything in this first 4 lines, it's a lost opportunity, and we are losing millions of opportunities like this day in and day out. That's where a little small of my own experience I wanted to just share. Okay, now let's take in questions. I think
there are no questions. You can just.
no, they're not about questions. There are audience which is available. I think we can take 10-15 minutes questions to the panel at least. Yeah, anybody here, of course, who would like to ask questions, one by one can just unmute themselves and ask. And specifically, you can ask, so which panel member do you want to address? Yes, or shall I just have a round of it? Yeah, Aruna, yeah.
Hi everyone.
Hi Aruna.
Very informative. I have hardly heard anything about all these things. I always wanted to know about this social media business, connecting me as much people as I want. Actually, I wanted to ask Lavanya because I have a food channel. I always have this question on my mind, that why do I not get more number of likes, more number of subscribers? What I need to do to grab attention? How do I get more connected on this YouTube?
Yeah, before you just answer that, Lavanya, let me tell you, because Aruna is somebody known to me. She's a very good friend of mine. The amount of talent that she has, it's amazing. I have not seen anybody else with that variety of talent. She's a Guinness record holder because she
Oh
Yeah.
has
my
so
God.
many things to her credit. But I think yes, because probably there's a little bit of aversion and a little bit of reluctance to use social media in
Right.
her. There's a
Yes.
little bit of reluctance that I have seen as a friend, like I'm just
Yes.
telling.
Yes.
So
Yes. You are
that's
right.
that is probably, but the talent she has, the kind of healthy recipes she has, the amount that she's put in, and the amazing cook that she is, and the way she turns up things are everything, whether it is cooking, whether it's crochet, whether it's her panels, whether it's her mask, everything has been, she does it to the T, perfection. So I want somebody like her be noticed. And I feel, but she has created, with the help of her son, she has created a food channel, and she has put in things. But yes, I want, because with there are people with no talent and who are so successful, and somebody who's
Exactly.
had so much of talent is not able to market her services.
Marketing for me is really very difficult.
Yes, so that's
At
where
least on
Lavanya.
social
And
media, I really get confused, you know.
yes, and I would, I think this is something I think everybody of us would want to know, Lavanya. So over to you.
I too have a business in crochet jewelry also.
Yes, that's something. She has
So
so
even
much of
there,
talent.
I really face a difficulty in marketing. So that is why first I just wanted to know about YouTube from you. If you could just tell me in some
Yeah.
short form or something, whatever.
Sure, Aruna ma'am. Great to know about you. May I know
Thank
your
you.
channel's name, ma'am?
NutriBytes.
NutriBytes, BITES.
Yes.
Okay. And how many subscribers do you have, ma'am, at the moment?
Not many, I think about 130 or so.
Okay. And how many videos do you have?
I have about 12 videos right now.
12 videos. Okay. And
Amazing.
how often do you upload
Really
videos?
Now, right now, I am not able to because my son has joined job because he is the one who shoots and edits. I can't shoot or edit. So
Okay.
right now, I'm not posting like, you know.
Okay. Okay. I've just gone to your channel. I'm looking at it now. I've just subscribed to your channel as well.
Thank you.
I would
So
subscribe.
so what I can see is, ma'am,
Yeah.
you have to start using your the moment I look at your channel, it's very colorful. I can see tomatoes, I can see some beautiful recipes there, right?
Yeah. Mm.
Now I am not sure you've got good views on your some of your
Flax
as
seeds,
well.
flaxseed powder,
Yes, there are very good views.
14,000.
Yes, which is absolutely fantastic, and that is what we have to cash on. Now,
Yeah.
on YouTube, when somebody comes to your channel, they will come through different sources, right? One is the keywords, like I told you. On your video, when you upload, when probably you or your son uploads, down there will be a section for using tags.
Tags, okay.
Tags. Okay. Now, first thing I'll suggest you to do is
Mhm.
go on other popular YouTube channels related to the same niche.
Okay.
Okay. And go and see what are the tags that they are using.
Okay.
When the views are high, now people must be searching for those, and that's the reason they are getting there. I'd suggest you do a little bit research on the tags that your competitive channels are using.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
And tags are one thing that you can do. You can add, I'm not sure, I've not watched your videos, but I want you to use end screens and the boxes that come on there, the charts, they're called the charts. When you upload your video and you go to YouTube Studio,
Mm-hmm.
okay, this is where you can edit your videos.
Mm-hmm.
एंड यू कैन ऐड एंड स्क्रीन्स. आपको पता है जब वीडियो चलता रहता है, लास्ट में आता है एक सेक्शन जहाँ पे यहाँ पे क्लिक करो, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, और यहाँ पे मेरे
Yes,
और
yes.
वीडियोस आ रहे होंगे, ठीक
Yeah,
है?
yeah.
तो दोज आर थिंग्स व्हिच विल इंड्यूस योर व्यूअर्स. अरे ये वीडियो तो देखा मैंने, ये भी है इनका, अच्छा इसको भी देखूं मैं, है ना? तो द
Exactly. हाँ.
स्क्रीन्स, एंड स्क्रीन्स में आप जब अपना खुद का एक और वीडियो
तो
डालो,
एक और वीडियो का लिंक.
हाँ, तो वो ज्यादा सर्कुलेट होगा.
अच्छा.
ठीक है. एंड देन where are you circulating your videos? WhatsApp पे शेयर कर रहे
WhatsApp.
होंगे आप,
हाँ हाँ,
Facebook में हैं आप,
Facebook पे हूँ, but I am not able to do it, share it on Facebook. I'll have to learn how to do it.
oh it's just the link मैम, इतना सब कुछ कर रहे हैं आप, ये भी थोड़ा कर ही लो, उसका लिंक लीजिए एंड देन फेसबुक पे डालिए और शेयर कीजिए अपने फ्रेंड्स ग्रुप के
नहीं,
साथ.
but you know, when I have shared it like that, but I am not getting a full video. Like, you know, when you put on, you're not getting it.
Correct, they will not get. See what it does, it will post one icon,
Yes.
say this is the video, and then it
Yes.
will take it to the other platform. पहले क्या
Right.
था, व्यूज ज्यादा नहीं आते थे. जब एक्चुअल में नेटिव प्लेटफॉर्म पे फेसबुक पे आप रॉ वीडियो अपलोड करोगे तब वो लोग देखते थे पहले, पर अभी यूट्यूब का वीडियो भी देखते हैं.
Okay.
वो क्लिक करने से आपके
हाँ,
डायरेक्ट
क्लिक करने के बाद आता है. हाँ.
यूट्यूब चैनल पे लेके जाता है एंड पीपल विल बी एबल टू वॉच दैट. तो वहां पे भी शेयर कीजिए. और
Okay.
फेसबुक ग्रुप्स है, कितने सारे फेसबुक ग्रुप्स है जहाँ पे रेसिपीज ऐसे लोग बांटते हैं, ठीक है, शेयर करते हैं. आपको जितने ग्रुप्स में ज्वाइन करना है कीजिए एंड स्टार्ट शेयरिंग इट देयर.
Okay.
सो ये ऐसा निश है ना कि सबको जाना ही है. यहाँ पे मेरी माँ बैठी है यहाँ पे, दिन में 3-4 घंटे रेसिपीज देखती रहती है. तो देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ मार्केट फॉर इट. इट ओनली डिपेंड्स हाउ यू शोकेस इट टू द आउटर वर्ल्ड. जब तक हम नहीं बोलेंगे.
अरुणा, ये लॉकडाउन में लोग रेसिपीज ही ढूंढ रहे हैं.
I know.
क्योंकि लोग इतने फ्री है, अच्छा खाना बनाना, अच्छा ये करना. बहुत लोगों ने जो कभी किसी ने कभी ट्राई नहीं किया, लोगों ने सिजलर्स तक बना डाले हैं.
Yes, everything they are
Imagine.
making nowadays.
हाँ, तो
But he's becoming a master chef now.
everybody is becoming a master. For that, what are they doing? उनको कुछ तो आता नहीं है, रेसिपी से तो ढूंढ रहे हैं.
Correct.
अभी आपके पास थोड़ा और टाइम है, लॉकडाउन है अभी, you can try that.
और
And
अगर आप
another thing, she
Facebook-
said that he is joining so many Facebook groups. You know, आप देखोगे एक आपने ग्रुप ज्वाइन किया ना तो उसके नीचे और ग्रुप्स के लिंक्स
हाँ, food
डाल
groups. I should
कि
join
ये
the
भी
food
ज्वाइन
groups.
करो, ये भी ज्वाइन कर लो, ये भी ज्वाइन. आप सब में जाके क्लिक कर लो.
हाँ, food groups में join करना चाहिए.
और
And also
ऐसा कीजिए फेसबुक में जो आपके व्यूअर्स को आपके चैनल तक खींचे. ऐसा कैसे करें आप? थोड़ा सा रेसिपी कुछ ऐसा यहाँ पे वाव ग्रुप में आप डालती है शायद, है ना,
हाँ हाँ
आप शेयर
Black
करती हैं
Sit Sandwich
रेसिपीज
सब डालना.
फ्राइडेज को. तो
हाँ
वो वाला ना आप अपने फेसबुक में भी शेयर कीजिए एंड गिव देम योर यूट्यूब का लिंक. दिस
हाँ
इज
हाँ.
आई शेयर एवरी वीक such and such a recipe, so go ahead and subscribe there.
Okay, okay. हाँ, I got it.
तो यहाँ पे ट्रेलर मिलेगा आपको, वहां जाओगे तो असली पिक्चर
I know, I
आपको
got
दिखेगी.
it, I got it. हाँ हाँ हाँ.
तो
हाँ,
ऐसे
got it.
यू कैन यूज मल्टीपल थिंग्स कॉम्बिनेशन. पता नहीं कौन सा कब कैसे वर्क कर
कब
लेगा.
कैसे
हो
क्लिक
जाएगा.
होगा? You cannot know. हाँ हाँ. And also, I wanted to know the editing tool for the video. Anything which is easier to operate.
Editing I used to do on KineMaster and I used to do on Video Guru. पर मेरा इतना ज्यादा एडिटिंग होता नहीं है, बट आई एम श्योर आपके
In short,
yeah,
In
is
short.
also one good
in
thing.
short,
This is
So do
Kaini.
it on the
What
floor.
you said, Kaini?
in short is good. In short.
Acha, in short is good. And Kaini also something.
KineMaster.
Master, okay. I'll
Even
try.
quick is good. Quick is good. Quick.
Acha.
QUIK.
Okay, हाँ.
It gives the automatic framing and different designs and
Okay, हाँ हाँ हाँ.
मैं
ये भी आपका बहुत
एक
जरूरी
free का
है,
यूज कर
editing.
रही हूँ, मुझे बहुत अच्छा है वो.
कौन
विवा
सा?
वीडियो यूज कर, विवा वीडियो बहुत अच्छा है. खाली उसका
हाँ
वो
Viva video.
खाली विवा वीडियो बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत
हाँ Viva
सिंपल
भी
है.
अच्छा है.
और
विवा
उसमें
भी
इतने अच्छे अच्छे प्री क्रिएटेड टेम्पलेट्स, और अभी वो न्यू अपडेट हो गया, नया अपडेशन होके आया है. इट इज ब्यूटीफुल. इट हैज सम रियली वेरी वेरी गुड ट्रांजिशन. बहुत अच्छा बना दिया है. मेरे
हाँ,
पास पुराना वाला था. विवा वीडियो इज ऑल्सो वेरी गुड. विवा VIVA वीडियो.
हाँ, only. Thank you so
I'm
much,
using
Lavanya.
Filmora also, ma'am. It's a
welcome.
very
I
good
think
tool.
One,
We'll
संचिता,
be. It's already 8 o'clock now. We'll wind up now.
एक
Okay.
मिनट, संचिता ने कुछ बोला. शी इज यूजिंग समथिंग एल्स.
Yeah, I use Filmora. It's a very good tool. बहुत flexible है and it gives the
Which one?
effect of
I didn't
Filmora.
get
Use
it.
that. Yeah.
Filmora.
All my videos are from Filmora.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Little high tech.
ये
Okay,
थोड़ा सा
just-
high end है, but बहुत
थोड़ा
easy
high
है
end
यूज
है,
करना. Easy
थोड़ा
है
है.
यूज करना और इसका
Filmora.
इम्पैक्ट बिल्कुल प्रीमियर जैसा आता है.
Oh,
Nisha, something you wanted to, you were raising your hand. You wanted to ask something. Nisha, kindly unmute yourself. Hi, Nisha. Anyway, she had just raised her hand, so I thought, okay. Anybody else wants to ask anything? Anything to the panel? Amrita, Amriti, Purnima Thakkar, Dr. Manju Parmar, Sujata Pal, you have anything to add? Manisha.
Hello, ma'am. Sujata here. How are
Hi.
you
Hi,
all?
Sujata.
Hello,
We
शिवानी
are good.
मैम. I was saying this कि हम लोग ना एक व्हाट्सएप के ऊपर स्पेसिफिक अगर एक वो रख ले सेशन तो अच्छा रहेगा क्योंकि व्हाट्सएप में काफी सारी चीजें हैं मतलब नई तो उसके ऊपर
WhatsApp for business का session.
हाँ 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 हाँ
WhatsApp पे ही पढ़ाऊंगी मैं.
हाँ तो क्योंकि एक्चुअली इसमें ना मैंने देखा था काफी लोग यूज करते हैं मैंने व्हाट्सएप
बहुत अच्छा है.
Actually, we had an online training festival of Mission Happy World, and there we had this free sessions. If you want, I can pass on that recording.
श्योरली मैम आप जरूर मुझे रिकॉर्डिंग
Yeah.
दीजिए इट विल हेल्प अ लॉट फॉर मी
Yeah, WhatsApp.
Yeah. I
Shrikant
think
का ही लिया था.
each one who's doing business should use WhatsApp business. It's something, really good. You have a question, Nisha? You want to know about Quora? How to use Quora? Nisha wants to know, Lavanya.
Probably I'm not the right person. If Sanchita can take it up, yes.
Quora?
If not, I'd suggest I'll link her up with one of my friends who is already here on this panel. She's a top writer on Quora, Monica.
Yeah, Monica. It's basically if you want to ask anything, Quora is there. You can open a account like the way you open your email account, and you can be a contributor or you can be a observer, audience. You can ask many questions. You can write blogs on that, and you can post a week if you want to. If your recipe is there, flaxseed chutney, suppose her recipe. So you go and search on recipe for flaxseed chutney, and in that you can go there. They will give you some links. In that you can write, I came across this link, which is also very good, and post
You can recommend him.
some little hacks like that.
Yeah.
for Nisha Monica ma'am is best you can
Yeah, Monica, she's expert in that.
Yeah.
Yeah, in
She even
Quora,
got
actually, you
award
need to
also.
identify your niche, and then you can be a contributor, or maybe you can ask question. Quora is coming out to be a very good platform for conducting business.
Especially it's good for people who write like Nisha
Yeah.
is into writing
Right.
this thing so writers
Mhm.
is the best platform for writing like Quora is one of the best.
Yes.
Sujata, I've also seen your online presence a lot. The amount of videos that you keep posting, and yes, I have because subscribe to your channel as well. So, you have any input to share?
Ma'am, actually, my as you most of you know, my niche is into stock markets,
Stock market.
intraday. So I'm using Telegram channel as my first lead generation. I get people over there where I keep posting in the live market. So those people who are interested in the live markets, they are over there. Like I have over 500 plus 20 people on the Telegram channel subscriber. There's a two different thing. You can use Telegram as a wonderful source. There's a Telegram group where everyone can post, and another is a Telegram channel where only you can post. Okay, and there are lots of options like voting. You can ask some questions and people can vote on this. Like I keep asking questions, are you loving my calls? They write yes, no, maybe. Are you joining my webinar this week? Yes, no, maybe. So I
Sujata, but Telegram has a much lesser reach as in WhatsApp, and the number of users are very limited, right? In Telegram, how about Sanchita? You must be having some data on this. Telegram, about
Telegram users, it's quite limited.
limited users.
It's
better-
limited, but it is going to become a
it's-
good thing. You have
Yeah,
to.
it will.
I have something to say on this. Let's see, we also have WhatsApp where people are there, but it depends on you, na. Like if I tell about my profession, there are like big Telegram channels who have 5 lakh, 10 lakh subscribers. It is not possible in WhatsApp in any way.
Yeah.
So
That's
your
because of
tool.
limit on number of users.
Actually,
also.
Telegram is having this private channel thing wherein you can, like most of the trainers I see nowadays, they are opening up a Telegram channel wherein they are putting up all the participants as their users, and they invite some more. So number of users get more. But हाँ, Telegram का जो marketing का aspect है और WhatsApp का marketing का aspect है, it's entirely different.
Yes, this is different. But and there's also search option. Like in generally when we search the channel now, similarly there's a search option. If someone will search learn @trade by Sujata, so they will get into my channel automatically.
Yeah.
Which is I think not in WhatsApp. I don't know much about it. So what I am doing is like if I posting something on Facebook, on YouTube, anywhere, I am just directing them to my Telegram channel, because ultimately from there they are going to get live updates. So people,
Yeah, actually, what I find is WhatsApp is a very good channel for increasing the recall value. क्योंकि WhatsApp में आप उन्हीं लोगों से कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं जो आपके कांटेक्ट लिस्ट में होंगे, या फिर आपने ग्रुप भी बनाया होगा या को, मतलब अल्टीमेटली द फोन नंबर्स हैव टू बी देयर ऑन योर फोन बुक. एंड WhatsApp का जो सबसे अच्छी चीज मानी जाती है, दैट इज one-to-one communication is possible. So if it is broadcast list or if it is through group, you are communicating with your end users in one-to-one basis. और वही रिसर्चेस यही बताता है कि आउट ऑफ ऑल 100 कन्वर्सेशंस यू डू, 61% जो है आपके साइट पे चले जाते हैं देखने के लिए क्या बोला आपने. और तो इट्स गुड टू हैव इन दैट वे. अदरवाइज व्हाट्सएप के बहुत सारे डिसएडवांटेजेस हैं, क्योंकि जैसे आपने बनाया ग्रुप या फिर ब्रॉडकास्ट चैनल, 256 यूजर्स ही आप एक साथ ऐड कर सकते हो, नॉट मोर देन दैट. So
actually
question, 1 minute. Yeah, I'm interrupting because there's a question. There's a question from Amriti. What would be the right thing to do if you're working on the content, to work on content, getting in depth of all digital tools or learning digital marketing, but there's a very big chunk to be covered in. So what works for a beginner and what platforms? So I think 3 to 4 platforms is what you should be as a beginner. My guess is that. Lavanya, any take on that?
What's your niche, Amrita, if I may know?
Amriti, it is.
Amriti, yeah, sorry.
Yeah, now she is on typing.
Okay.
Beginner hai, ab niche, I don't know what it is.
If she's a beginner, I think, and if she's writing content, I'm guessing that's what it is. If it's video, then it's YouTube and Facebook. That's where videos are working. But I think she also asked a video question earlier, which I answered probably. But if it is content writing, then certainly Quora, LinkedIn, even Facebook works. But Insta doesn't work if you're writing long posts. And getting it, just start off with 3 to 4 maximum, how much ever you can handle personally, and start writing or start posting videos.
Okay, I think it's time enough for everybody. Thank you so much. It was such a wonderful session. Thank you so much, Dr. Sanchita, Dr. M.K. Shivani, Lavanya, Aruna, Amriti.
Thank you so much.
Rata, Nisha.
Very informative.
It was, yes, exactly what we needed. It was bang on.
Bang
exactly
on.
what we needed.
Yes.
Exactly how I had visualized the session, that we wanted to cut the crap and only work on specifics.
Agreed.
That's what
Absolutely.
And I'm sure I am recording this. I'm sure it'll go in GBs. We can put it on YouTube at least for people, and we can put a link so that the ones who missed, at least from our members of WOW, can at least have a look at it. They can at least benefit.
Yes, thank you, Dr. Purnima, for attending session. Thank you, Manisha. I know them personally.
Okay.
Nisha, Amriti, Aruna Raj, Dr. Manju, Dr. Snehal was there, Sonali was there. So thank you and have a great night.
Thank you so much.
Good night. So much.
Good night.